New at 11, this shooting has again put a spotlight on safety at hospitals and medical facilities. Healthcare employees who work on a hospital campus will soon have more protections. This week, Governor Brian Kemp signed the Safer Hospitals Act into law. 11 Alive's Don White is live for us at the medical center in Northside where this all took place. And Don, what will this new piece of legislation, this new law, actually do?
Well, Jennifer, it will do two things. The first is hospitals will soon be able to form their own police departments, and anyone who is convicted of assaulting a healthcare worker at a hospital could face anywhere between 3 to 20 years in prison. Witnessing violence in a hospital is something Dr. Eddie Richardson Jr. knows all too well.
A patient became very violent and actually attacked one of the nurses that was in the ER bay that I was very close to.
Richardson says that nurse left the field due to PTSD, and he's had to call police several times because of verbally abusive patients.
I even felt at one time that I needed to put a peace officer in my waiting room just to make sure that, they know we had a show of force.
He now feels some relief. Hospital healthcare workers will have the same protections as law enforcement, teachers, and paramedics.
We know most of the time in offices they're staffed by females. And when you have, a large male or a male or even sometimes disgruntled females, that's a very intense situation in a closed area.
Every hour, 2 nurses are assaulted, as well as nurses are 5 times more likely to be assaulted than your average worker.
Under the law, certified police officers can carry a firearm on hospital property, and they have arrest powers. That's something Georgia Nurses Association CEO Matt Caseman thinks could help keep everybody safe.
There'll be police on site that can not only get to locations quickly where there's a violent incident happening, but they can also handle the reporting for the healthcare workers.
Sometimes that helps to de-escalate situations. And then because, we're there to provide health care. We're not necessarily there to restrain people. We're not there to fight with people.
Northside Hospital has already posted openings for police officers. This law will take effect on July 1st.
All right, Don, thank you so much. Now, we have been tracking this investigation every step of the way. We'll bring you every new development here and on 11alive.com as soon as that information becomes available.